Ladybug, or in Indonesian often referred to as a ladybug, is a small insect with a striking appearance.
They have a round, light-colored body with distinctive-looking spots or patterns. They vary in color and pattern depending on the species, but are often yellow or orange with black or white spots. Ladybug has a very important role in natural pest control. They are aggressive predators and become potential predators for plant-disturbing insects such as aphids and mites. Usually ladybugs prey on small insects and their eggs so that their presence can help maintain the balance of the ecosystem food chain. In the presence of effective predators like them, pest populations will not reproduce excessively and cause losses to crops. As a small insect, ladybug also plays a role in pollination, even though they are not the main pollinators like bees or butterflies, but several species of them can also play a good role in the pollination process. When foraging for these insects move from one flower to another so that it helps in the process of reproduction of plants. Even what is often not realized, the ladybug is also an indicator for environmental quality. The existence of a healthy and diverse ladybug is an indicator that the ecosystem in their habitat has stable quality and has sufficient food resources. Conversely, if their population decreases drastically, this can indicate an environmental problem, such as excessive use of pesticides or changes in habitat. In addition to being beneficial to the environment, in some cultures, the bad lady is considered a symbol of good luck. It is believed that when a ladybug reaches someone's body, the person concerned will have good luck or dreams. Because of that, the ladybug is often regarded as an insect that carries a positive message and is appreciated by many people who enjoy the presence of the ladybug around them and regard it as a joyful animal. They even become objects in children's stories and picture books because of their appeal. Ladybug has a very unique life cycle that involves various interesting changes in shape. They experience for life stages starting from the egg, larva, pupa, and finally turning into an adult insect. The initial phase of their life begins when the female insects lay their eggs near food sources, such as plants that have a fairly high pest population. Usually, the oval-shaped eggs are laid in groups and require hatching time, which varies depending on the temperature and environmental conditions, but usually the eggs hatch between 3 to 10 days. After hatching from the egg, the ladybug turns into a larva. These larvae have a very different appearance from the adults. They have a long and segmented body and are often red or orange in color with spots or fine spines. ladybug larvae is a phase where they become very voracious creatures and require a lot of food for their growth, so they actively prey on pests, such as aphids and mites. The larval stage lasts for several weeks, and they undergo several molts as they grow. Furthermore, the ladybug enters the pupal stage, a stage where they experience internal body transformation. They enter a resting phase and are inactive for several days or even weeks. At this stage, the larva forms a protective capsule. The larva forms a protective capsule where transformation into an adult insect will occur. Even though this pupa looks stationary and does not move, drastic changes occur inside, including the formation of wings and changes in body shape. Once the pupa phase is complete, the ladybug will immediately come out of the puparium as an adult insect ready to fly and reproduce. Adult insects have a distinctive shape with a round body and wings that allow them to fly. Even though they have a small body size, they can fly at a fairly high speed. This ability allows them to spread out to various places, looking for food sources. Some of them are even equipped with the ability to secrete defense substances. When threatened, some species of them secrete a substance that has an unpleasant taste and smell. Ladybugs have a life expectancy that varies depending on factors such as the species' environment and their living conditions. But in general, they can live between 1 to 2 years in the wild. However, there are also species that have shorter life cycles, especially in unfavorable conditions.